see these bottles here? They're juice bottles.
Yeah.
So that's all we're using are these juice bottles. And I've marked them either hot or cold because the water on either side is either hot or it's cold.
Okay.
Fair enough?
All
So
right.
you see the bottles that are down here? Yellow represents hot, and this will represent cold. So do me a favor, fill up this one to the very, very top of the cold, and I'll handle this one with the hot right here. So we've got hot water here, we've got cold water here. So let's use this kind of representation. Let's say that the sun's heating the earth and that hot air is kind of rising, and you've got a layer of colder air trapping it. So here's the prediction. Card goes on top like this. I'll turn the whole thing upside down and put it on top like this. This is the scary part. When I pull the card, what happens, Mark?
The cold air will mix with the hot air.
Nice job.
Yes.
Take a look at this.
Cool.
Is that kind of nice?
Cool.
So take a look at this. So you get this mixing, and this is exactly what we want. So we get this kind of green effect, and so the little symbolism is there. But that's not what happens on a day like today. This is what happens in the summertime. What happens on a day like today here, this is the hot. Okay, so let me pour the hot in here, is that you get a warmer layer every once in a while, or maybe a colder day, I should say that. This is what happens on a colder day. So you now get this cold air trapped by this layer of warmer air. And so let me turn this upside down. If you pay your dues in the science club, everything stays right here. Take a look at this. Completely open. But look.
No mixing.
No mixing at all. So you get this temperature inversion. So you get this, all of the pollutants and everything here from the cars trapped in this lower layer here, and right there in the very middle is where that brown cloud will appear. So notice this bottle's completely open, and the liquids that are there, that colder will stay on top, comes over, traps it in. One of the reasons for daylight savings is that you want to drive when the sun's out to heat the earth and warm it up and shoot those pollutants up like this.
And now you know.